We are on day 5 of week 1. So first of all, congratulations for being here all of the days that you have showed up for yourself. And today, what I want to do is combine a lot of the things that we have experienced and learned this week. And we are going to do a guided meditation with our feminine presence pelvic tilt movement. So what I want to do is 2 things. One, I'm going to give you a little bit of a refresher, and then we're actually going to go into the actual practice itself. So I'm going to be playing a song, and we will be doing the movement together in this time and space. So let's remember some of the key things that we learned this week. One is paying attention to our breath, slowing down and being present and noticing, creating that connection with your womb space, your pelvic floor, physically feeling the power and the energy of your hands, the magic and the energy within your hands, and taking that loving energy and flowing it through to that part of your body. We talked about squats. Now, we're not going to do squats today. However, I want you to remember feeling all of the different parts of your body. Feel your legs. Feel your butt. Feel your hips. And then we're actually going to do the pelvic tilt. We're going to do an actual meditative dance and movement to a song. And I just want you to notice how it feels in your body. Notice what it feels like to have a soft place to land. How many of us have said, I just want a soft place to land? And so often we are looking for that soft place to land outside of ourselves. What if that soft place to land was your physical body, was coming home to the physicality of the body, not just the mind, not just thinking that we're thinking positive. No, this is about being and connection. And when we're doing this activity, if you want to move your hands in a different way, you're more than welcome. We will add on to this in the coming weeks. But if this is something where your body just feels like it wants to move in a different way and your hands want to explore, go for it. All right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to stand up. I'm going to do this with you. And we are now going to allow ourselves to be present in our female bodies. Remember to breathe. Feel like you have roots into the ground, like they are 10 feet deep. And allow yourself to feel the soft, gentle movements. allow your body to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And if you allow yourself to hear a sigh as you breathe, let it out. And as you finish this practice, I invite you to just be with yourself for a moment. No movements, just presence. Feeling the vibration of the music and the sounds. The connection of your hands on your body. The movement of energy. Moving and flowing through your system. And be grateful for this beautiful, amazing female body that we have. That you have given yourself the time to be present. That you have given yourself time to create a deeper connection, not just with your mind, not just with your body, but with the most sacred parts of who you are as a woman. Thank you for joining me for week 1. And next week, we will be focusing on activation and strength. And this is all about strengthening through consistent, soft, gentle movements. This is not about being hard on the body. Enjoy.